Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to make egg pakoras and chili peppers pakoras. Here we have all the ingredients. We've got the whole eggs, fresh coriander, fresh paprika, peppers. The spices we have jeera, coriander seeds, chili powder and crushed chili. And we have the ground flour, the rice flour, and we also be making lassi. So we got yogurt and sugar. So we start boiling the eggs. They need to be boiled when they're really hard. Okay, so we're making the lassi, just a plain white lassi. You can add the sugar. The sugar is according to your taste. So we're gonna add 4 spoons. So it's just yogurt, sugar, and nothing else. Okay, so we got some ice cubes in the glass. And we're gonna pour the lassi now. So that's the lassi all done. The yogurt wasn't very creamy, so that's why we didn't add anything. Okay, the other half we're going to add this mango powder, tang mango powder, to make it into mango lassi. And the flavor of this, the flavor you get from this is a bit tangy. So we'll add 2 to 3 spoons and give it a some ice cubes. And there's your mango lassi. These are the paprika peppers. So we're just gonna do a slit in each one. You need to do the slit because if you don't, it's gonna explode in the oil, and you don't want that. While we are frying the pakoras, we might as well fry some chickens as well. Today is a healthy day. Okay, we just put cold water in the eggs. Yeah, the eggs are ready. Took the skins off, the shells. So that's what you do. You put the egg in the batter and coat it thoroughly, so it gets a good coat. We just turned it. It needs to be turned around. The egg pakoras are now ready. That's the paprika peppers. Paprika peppers are done. That's the chicken. Okay, I've just turned the chicken over. That's chicken pakora with it. Chicken is nearly done now. Okay, so that's the other chicken coated. Kentucky fried chicken. It's gonna be. That's done now, so we can check that out. Okay, so this is the Kentucky fried chicken. If you want the recipe for this, let me know in the comments and I can do a separate video for this.